And yesterday I have explained the condition for congruency. From 2 days I am explaining the condition for congruency. The first condition is all the sides should be equal. Second, two side and the corresponding angle. Two angle with the corresponding side. Then we can say that, and by RHS we can say that they are congruent. Congruent means exactly of same type. Congruent means exactly of same type. Okay, we can compare it with similarity also, but till now you have not studied any topic related to similarity. In class 8 you have not studied about similarity. So here I will explain only the congruency. Okay, congruency means exactly of same type, same size, everything should be same. I gave the example of photocopy. So let's begin the exercise. The first question is, in a triangle ABC, Toral is joining. It is showing she is joining, but because of her network she is not able to join the class. In first question, the triangle is ABC and triangle PQR. It is given that angle A is equals to angle Q, angle B is equals to angle R. Which side of PQR should be equal to the side AB of triangle ABC so that the two triangles are congruent? Which side should be equal to AB? Which side should be equal? AB side contain these two angles. Here which side is containing these two angles? QR. So AB should be equals to QR. Okay? Is it clear? In second question, we have the two triangles. First is triangle ABC and the second is the triangle PQR. Angle A is equals to angle Q, angle B is equals to angle R. Which side of PQR should be equal to the side BC of triangle ABC so that the triangle is congruent? This side AB is equals to QR. So BC should be equal to the which side? Can you rotate this triangle? Rotate this triangle. When you take this triangle and when you rotate and when we keep this side AB downward, then we will see that C will be on the top. A and Q are equal. A and Q are equal. B and R are equal. Their sides are equal. So BC should be equals to PR. BC should be equals to PR to make them congruent. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Third is also same as first and second. Now I am going to explain the fourth one. In fourth question we have figure like this. This is A, B, C, N. This is D and this is M. and it is given that these two angles are at 90 degree. Okay. In the adjoining figure, AD is the median of ABC and BM is the median of CN. BM and CN are perpendicular drawn from B and C respectively on AD, and AD prove that CM is equals to, we have to prove that BM is equals to CN. BM is equals to CN, we have to prove. BM is equals to CN. How can we prove? Take these two triangles. Okay. Here it is given that no side is given equal. AD is the median of BC. Triangle ABC. Median means, do you know what is median? I have explained what is median. What is median? In the beginning of this chapter, I have explained the median and the altitude. What is the median? Median is the side which divides the opposite side into two equal parts. And altitude falls at 90 degree angle. Altitude makes 90 degree angle with the opposite side. Okay, so this is the difference between median and altitude, and it is given that AD is the median of triangle ABC. It means that AD divides this BC into two equal parts. BD is equals to DC. This you have to prove. Given that BD is equals to DC, what reason you will write? AD is the median. Okay. The second given value is 90 degree angle. Angle BMD is equals to angle DNC, 90 degree. It is given. These two things are given in the question. You have to prove BM is equals to CN. For BM and CN, we have the two triangles. This is the first triangle. This is the second triangle. We have to prove these two triangles congruent. Let's prove. In triangle BMD, and triangle DNC, write the given values. BD is equals to DC. Reason given. It is AD is the median. Okay. What, and 90 degree angle is also equal. BMD is equals to angle DNC is equals to 90 degree. Reason, it is given in the figure. Third is, we have the two triangles where we can write their vertically opposite angles equal. We have these two triangles. So here we can say that these vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle BDM is equals to angle NDC. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Is it clear? Now we have a side and the two angle. So by SAS, triangle BMD congruent triangle DNC. So by CPCT, BM is equals to CN. It is proved. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion in any question? Till question number 4?
No, ma'am.
Fourth is written twice. In next question also it is 4.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 5th. Okay. Make the number correct. 5th is also same as 4th. The exactly same figure is given. But here you have to prove that AC bisects BD. AC bisects BD. Question number 5. A, B, C, D, this is M, this is E, this is N. In the adjoining figure, BM and DN are perpendicular. Perpendicular means they are making 90-degree angle to the segment AC. If BN is equals to DN, it is given that BM is equals to DN. Then prove that AC bisects BD. It means that you have to prove these two sides equal. What you have to prove? AC bisect BD means DE is equals to BE. If DE is equals to BE, then only we can say that AC bisects BD. Okay? 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 No response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin. How can we prove? Take these two triangles. Triangle, because DE and BE makes triangle with M and N. So take DEN and BEM. Angle DNE is equals to angle BME is equals to 90 degree. It is given. Second is vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle DEN is equals to angle BEM is equals to vertically opposite angle. This is the reason. And third, it is given BM is equals to DN. Reason given. So by ASA, triangle DEN congruent triangle BEM. So by CPCT, DE is equals to BE. So AC bisects BD. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It is proved. Next question. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Till 11, are you having any problem? Now 12th. ABCD is a rectangle, because here figure is not given. ABCD is a rectangle. Make rectangle ABCD. x and y are the points on the side AD and BC respectively such that AY is equals to BX. It is given that x is on AD, y is on BC, and it is given that AY is equals to BX. AY is equals to BX. This type of figure will be made. And angle, prove that BY is equals to AX and angle BAY is equals to angle ABX. Okay, very simple. Prove these two triangles congruent. In triangle ABX and triangle ABY, the first given value is, first is AY is equals to BX. Reason given. Is it given? Is it given?
Yes, ma'am.
Second is, we know that in rectangle all the angles are 90 degree. So angle BAX is equals to ABY is equals to 90 degree. The third is AB is equals to AB. It is common in both the triangles. So by SAS, triangle ABX congruent triangle ABY. So by CPCT, BY is equals to AX and angle BAY is equals to angle ABX. It is proved. Is there any confusion?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we apply RHS rule over here?
हाँ, RHS also you can apply because we have 90 degree angle and the hypotenuse are given equal. You can apply. Is there any other confusion? Now 14th question. See 14th. First prove the given triangles congruent. We have the two triangles. I am just making the figure. These two sides are equal. These angles are equal and the vertical opposite angles are also equal. First, prove them congruent. Give them name A, B, C, D, E. Prove them congruent. Then write 25 is equals to 2y plus 3 and 3x minus 7 is equals to 32. Okay. But before writing the equal, you have to prove them congruent. Okay. Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So can you complete till 14?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any confusion, then it will be discussed tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.